In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Adobe Express. If you want to use Adobe Express in a different language, the process is quick and simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can update the language setting without any confusion. To get started, sign in to Adobe Express. Once you're logged in, wait for the main workspace or home screen to fully load so all your account options are visible. This makes it easier to find the setting you need right away. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. This is where Adobe Express keeps your account-related options and preferences. Click on that profile icon to open the drop-down menu. When the menu appears, look for the settings option and click it. This will open the settings window where you can control different parts of your Adobe Express experience. If the settings window doesn't open right away, just give it a moment to load. Inside the settings window, make sure you're on the General tab. This is important because the language option is located there. Once you're on the General tab, look for the language setting. You should see a drop-down field next to it. Click the language drop-down to open the list of available languages. Then scroll through the options if needed and select the language you want to switch to. Take a second to choose carefully so you don't accidentally select the wrong one, especially if you're switching to a language you're still learning to read. After you select your preferred language, Adobe Express will apply that change based on the platform's settings behavior. In many cases, the interface updates quickly, but if you don't see the change immediately, refreshing the page or reopening the app can help. And that's it. That's how to change the language in Adobe Express. As a quick tip, if you ever need to switch it back, you can follow the exact same process. Open your profile icon, go to Settings, stay on the General tab, and choose a different language from the drop-down. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Adobe Express language settings quickly and easily.